Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we'll be talking about, are we in a crypto winter? What's happening with interest rates? What's happening with the crypto markets? What's happening with Bitcoin? From the desk of Kingsley Advani. So firstly, are we in a crypto winter? No, I don't believe we're currently in a crypto winter. I believe this is just a slight pullback. A crypto winter is typically defined as a significant price decline of 70 to 80% over an extended period of time. So for us to be in a crypto winter right now, Bitcoin would have to be at 30 to 50K. That would be a 70 to 80% decline from the 120K all-time highs. We're not there. We're above 100K. I feel this is just a slight pullback, and I'll give you a few reasons why I think this is true. So firstly, we have strong political support. We have a pro-crypto US president and a pro-crypto US administration. And this is very bullish for Bitcoin. The last 4 years or so, we've had a anti-crypto government stance, anti-crypto administration. So this means with the pro-crypto government and administration, it means more regulatory clarity and also the potential of a US Bitcoin national reserve. This is very bullish for Bitcoin. And I think, we're currently in a Bitcoin summer, and I feel we have a ways to go before new all-time highs. What's happening recently with the crypto market? We have had a slight pullback. So Bitcoin was at about 126K all-time high. We're now down above 100K. So there's been about a 20% slight pullback. Some of the reasons for this: firstly, we had the cascade liquidation, which was caused by the short on the market by a group of traders, and Bitcoin and a number of other cryptocurrencies went down substantially. This has finished, but we have also, the market slightly recovered. Now we've had a slight dip again. Some of the reasons for this: we've had some interest rate uncertainty. Fed Chair Powell recently said that a December rate cut is not a foregone conclusion. And previously, the odds of rate cut were about 90% as per odd trading. And now it's pulled back to 65-70% odds of December rate cut. So I think we're still going to get a December rate cut. US inflation rate's about 3%. So there's definitely room to cut. So I do think we'll have another interest rate cut in December. And we should have more rate cuts next year, which is very bullish for Bitcoin. And we also have the Fed Chair role term ending in May of 2026. And we already have Treasury Secretary Besant, who has 5 final candidates for the role. I believe the next Fed Chair will be more dovish. So they'll be cutting interest rates more, which will stimulate the economy, increase investment, increase spending. So from a macro perspective, I think in the short term, there has been some turbulence, but I believe the medium to long term, we're heading into lower interest rates. Main reasons why I think we're not in a crypto winter currently: I think we're still in Bitcoin summer. We have had a slight pullback. In terms of the next Bitcoin winter, the 4 seasons of Bitcoin, typically it starts with Bitcoin spring, then you have Bitcoin summer, Bitcoin fall, and then Bitcoin winter. Bitcoin spring started in April 24 with the halving. And since then, we've hit all-time highs into the summer. The summer, I believe, will last into late 2026. And then in late 2026, I think we'll hit into a Bitcoin fall, where the price starts declining and goes sideways. And then a Bitcoin winter where price does go down. So I think we're ways away from the Bitcoin winter. I think that will happen in about a year's time. And I believe there's still some ways to go in this Bitcoin summer.